Get a nice look at that sunrise. It's cloudy, but this camera is not doing this sunrise justice. Well, the sun gray, we gon' shine. Let's pound it for late. What is up? It's your girl, Glass House Maya. You know nobody flyer. I'm trying to figure out what that. Okay, it stopped. Nope. Child, ain't nobody got time for this vibrating noise. Anyways, it's your girl Glass House Maya. You know nobody flyer. One of you guys in my comments requested to hear my car revving up, so I'm gonna do that right now. So at this point, I'm really on the search to find what this vibrating noise is. Is it something in my door? Is it something on the side of my car? Because what's going on? Because I don't always hear this, so this is unusual. I think that's my umbrella vibrating, and well, of course it's my car vibrating, but yeah, vibranium. Let me stop playing. How y'all doing today? It is a beautiful day outside. It is like 65 degrees and it is hot. It's getting hotter. But ain't a cloud in the sky and it's blue skies, and I'm glad to see some sunshine because it's been raining heavy. But for the person who left a comment that they wanted to hear my car revving, I'm just gonna do it. I drive a Nissan. It's a V6 engine, if you needed to know any of that, but here we go. I hope you can hear it. So this vehicle is a sport vehicle. It's upgraded. As you can see, I got the leather seats, the interior, and all of that. So there you go. For whatever reason you needed to hear that, sir. There you go. But anyways, today I'm just out door dashing today. So I don't expect much to be happening. I really don't. I'm just keeping it real. So, and I only got about another 15 minutes left. And I'm going to be done for a little bit. I'm going to go in Walmart. Let me show y'all, because I always leave it at home. I actually bought my thing with me today. So we gonna see if I'm gonna record in Walmart. It took me hours yesterday to find the right app. I wanted to find an app where I can flip between my front camera and my back camera without stopping the video and having like multiple videos. So I did initially find one. So I hope it's of quality when I start recording. But this I got off of Amazon. The brand is Fantaseal, if I didn't say that somewhere in one of these videos. So this is the handle where I can just hold my phone on here, and this just, this is just the basic cheap one. You can like get these pretty much anywhere, but it came with it. Okay, so it has like, I don't know, like a rubber feel to it. It's very comfortable to hold versus me walking around doing this. Okay, I can just do this and be out here. Okay. But anyways, I hope you're having a wonderful day. My day is starting off great, which is what I intended it to be. I listened to some sound vibrations before I left out the house this morning, so I feel pretty calm and energized at the same time, if that makes sense. But anyways, I am glad the sun is shining. You have no idea. I'm so tired of the cloudiness and the rain. And even though the rain, I'm pretty sure, is coming back, I'm going to enjoy today for what it is, okay, for the sunshine. So I think I might head into this Walgreens that I'm by just to see what they got in there. Lord knows I don't need no sweets. I don't need no sugar. I don't need no candy. But I wanted to do this weekend, but my kids didn't want to move. So I was like, you know what? We're not doing it then. I wanted to like do like a Dollar Tree like snack type of thing where we just go in there and buy a bunch of snacks and just try it out, like a try. I was about to say a try on haul. Eating. I don't know what you call it, okay? But we was just gonna try some random stuff from the Dollar Tree, some stuff that we hadn't ate before, and see how that went. But I might just go in there myself and record and do that instead of bringing them with me. Let's just hope that I'm able to use this and be comfortable. Let's hope. But anyways, let me get off of here. Let me get off. I'll be back in a minute. I am currently at Pizza Hut. Ain't nobody in here. Like, nobody in here, not a soul. Ain't nobody in here. Of course, they got the TV on the news. But not a soul in here. Ooh, it was dark. Just grabbing some pizza. And then about to head up out of here. Okay? I feel like there's somebody's brick wall right now. But y'all remember Pizza Hut back in the day? Pizza Hut had the Miss Pac-Mans, the arcade machines. You done?
It's done.
Alright.
Get a bag for these wings.
Alright, gotcha. It's just going like right across the street.
They pay all that money for DoorDash
I
just to
know.
go across the street. Get that, okay?
Alright, thank you.
Thank you. You have a pleasant day, ma'am.
You too.
Come back.
I will. I'm back in the car. I wanted to ask, do y'all ever get like these spouts? These moments of inspiration where you're inspired to do something in that moment. I get that a lot of times when I'm sleeping, like a few times. When I say a few, I mean like about 4-5 times or more, where I'll be dreaming something, especially when it comes to like writing something, like whether it's a song where I woke up in the middle of the night and just literally wrote a whole song in like less than 20 or 30 minutes, poems and stuff like that. Do y'all ever get that? You know, those moments of inspiration? I enjoy those moments, but waking up at 3 o'clock in the morning to write something down is insanity to me, but I still get up and do it. I done that last night. I fell asleep what seemed to be like a few moments, may have been way longer than that, but when I woke up, something told me to just wake up and write this down. So it was something in that verse that I was saying at that time while I was sleeping. I was like, I'm gonna get up. I told myself I'm gonna get up and write this down, and I woke up and wrote it down and went back to sleep, kind of knowing like I wasn't gonna go back to the same dream. But I just wanted to share that, because when I get in these state of flows where I'm like, you know, I have this high amount of energy to give my words freely, then that's what I do. And I kind of in that mode like right now, because I just got through doing my TikToks. If you don't follow me on TikTok, follow me at the Guiding Light Guru. Well, one of the cards that I pulled today was the Flower of Life, and it was just saying that how right now is your time. The land is fertile. It's time for you to start creating. It's time for you to start being who you truly are. It's time for you to start planting those seeds so that, you know, and not focus on how it's going to happen. Instead, lose control of the how it's going to manifest into your life and just focus on the doing, the giving. You know what I'm saying? So I just wanted to come on here and share that. And you can go listen to that and many more of that type of stuff on my Instagram. I do share it on my Instagram, Magical Beans. You can find that also in the description. But yeah, I just wanted to share that because I can't be the only one who has these moments of inspiration, inspired to write something or do something. And a lot of times, like I said, for me, it's not always when I'm asleep, but those are the ones. Like when I wake up out of my sleep and I feel inspired to write something down or do something, those be the ones. They be the ones, all right, that stick with people. So, you know, a lot of times that happen. I'm glad to be getting some ideas and inspiration, because God knows I pray for it. I pray for it all the time. You know, a lot of people ask for different things. I ask for the right people to be in my life. I ask for ideas and inspiration. I ask for growth, lessons. I ask for it all, you know what I'm saying? Because it's all a part of life, and I welcome it. You know, it's just what it is. And that's what I'm learning about life itself, is to welcome life for what it is. And so the more I accept it, the more I live more freely, the more I live more happier, the more I become more myself and who I am. And, you know, I just be me. All right. So if you ain't learned nothing from me today, just be you, okay? Don't worry about what everybody else got to say, what they thinking. They probably ain't even thinking about you in the first place, okay? Just keeping it real. That's your own thoughts. But we're not gonna make this a TikTok session. We're not gonna do that. I did go in Walmart. I did buy some groceries. It was a lot of people in there. Okay, so I did not pick up my. Do I still have it? It's still in my bag, child. I did not carry it in the store with me. It was just too many people for me, and the levels of anxiousness to get up out of there was not given record in the store. So I'm gonna try again another day. You know, until I don't feel that way anymore. But I know that with anything, the more you do something, the less you feel, you know, afraid or, you know, whatever it is, the less you feel scared to do it, okay? So the more you do it, the less you feel afraid of it. It's like the more you fly on a plane, the less you're afraid of flying on planes. The more you do anything, the less you fear it. So, yeah. So I didn't record. Didn't record in the Dollar. I can show you. I did go in the Dollar Tree. I bought some glass containers. You know, like what you store like beans. I probably ain't gonna put no beans in there, child. What you store like flour and sugar and things of that nature in. I found some nice size containers. It was 2 different sizes. And so I bought those. I bought a few of those. I'm not using them. Look, I'm not using them in my home now, but I am going to be using them. Look, they're gonna get used, but it's some nice size jars. I have them in the trunk. I don't even think I'm taking them out my car, but my mom had wanted this thing here. So I got her this tumbler spinner. She does make the cups. So I bought that for her. Y'all, not me driving down the road and trying to show y'all. You know what? Wait. Let me go home. Let me do this when I get home. Finally made it back home. I'm about to show you those other few items that I got. But let me show you my outfit real quick. Let me see if you're going to be able to see me. Okay. So I just got on a white tank. I threw on this because I got on this green headband. Then I got on these flared pants. Love the hem on these pants. It's just ragged out. I got on these socks and these slides. Okay. That's it. That's all I got. Alright, so what I got was this little wall decor. I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's kind of holographic. It says impress yourself. Alright, because it's all about, you know, impressing yourself, showing yourself what you're capable of doing with your own abilities. Alright, instead of trying to impress others. So I'm going to add this to my wall over here. But I like the holographic and the pink. That's pretty cool. And then the other thing I got, okay? So y'all know how I said before, grays tend to congregate in the front of my hair, over here, in the temples, and over here. Alright, so I didn't want to spend another $8 just to use a drop. Because that's what it feel like I'm using, a drop of dye, okay? So this was at the Dollar Tree. And this is a Color Easy. Never heard of this, never used this. About to find out if it actually worked. This is a permanent dye. It is dark brown. So I'm gonna use this because I'd rather spend $1.25 to use a drop than $8 every time I dye my hair, which ain't very often. Probably, I don't know. I don't even know the last time I did it. Probably maybe 6 months or more ago. But and it's not bad. Like right now, you can't see it, but I can see it. And so since I'm probably gonna wash my hair tomorrow, well, it's getting dark. Since I'm probably gonna wash my hair tomorrow, I decided to just go ahead and get this because I don't know if you can use this after you already mix it, which I have no intentions of doing anyways, but I'd rather spend $1.25 versus $8. Okay, so this is what I got, these two things, and then those jars for like organization, because eventually I want to get into like that. Like I want that to be a part of my, I'm OCD partially most of the time anyways, which is why I'm always like, pick this up, get that off the floor, clean this, do this, go wipe this, don't leave this like this. These kids probably tired of me, okay? But I just like clean. I like stuff to be where I put it, and I like stuff to be a certain way, okay? And that's just how it is in this household. So anyways, that's gonna do it for this video. Probably gonna run this video up tomorrow. And I hope that I've taught you something, you've learned something. Go follow me on the social medias. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, turn on your bell notification so that you can be notified when I upload another video. And comment down below. And run up the likes, fam. Run up the likes. But anyways, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.
Got me feeling like it's Sunday evening. Sun going down, but ain't nobody leaving. NMC.